How do you know if you're using the right broker? And so most of the time, yung mga traders, they're looking for bonuses. They're looking at the leverage. Yung iba naman, they're choosing that broker specifically because of their mentor or friend nila, inintroduce yun. But guys, here's the professional traders do. They're checking on one thing, the spread. Anong spread yan? Liver spread ba yan? Or cheese whiz? The spread is the cost that you pay every time you enter a trade. So before your trade even goes into profit, you have already paid the cost. And here's something that many new traders do not know. Kasi you might hear someone say na, oh, libre lang mag-register sa link ko. Join kayo sa community ko. Wala naman ako sinisingil sa inyo. Walang bayad to, free. Diba yun yung makikita nyo most of the time? Well, technically, that's true. But in many brokers affiliated program, which they call Introducing Broker or IB, they get to earn from the share dun sa spread na yun. Or which we call trading commission, which are actually generated from the clients or traders they refer. So, kumbaga, referral commission to. Basta nag-register ka sa link na yun, and then nag-trade ka, for every trade that you make, regardless of if it is winning trade or losing trade, they get to earn from that. Because meron silang share from the spread. However, here's the catch. You may not be paying them directly. However, your trading cost may be funding their commission. That's why it is very important that you ask yourself, is this broker being recommended because it is the best broker for me, for you? Or is it because this broker pays the IB well? Don't just take anyone's word for it. I-open mo yung MT5 mo for you to know that. So right now, I'll teach you kung paano nyo malalaman at ma-compute kung magkano ba yung spread nyo dyan sa specific na broker kung nasaan kayo ngayon. So yan, kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong mga iba't ibang broker dito. Hindi ko na nilog in yung iba, but we have here na XM, BT Markets, Vantage, Light Finance, XS. I'll start with a broker that we normally use in LTA and normally what we recommend to the students who are newbies. So ito yung ginagamit natin specifically sa XS. So dito sa quotes tab nyo, yan, makikita nyo dito sa quotes tab nyo, dyan yung makikita kung how much yung spread na sinisingil sa inyo ng isang broker. So, say for example, ang tinitrade nyo is gold. So ngayon, it's morning, it's Asian session, most of the time talaga, medyo mataas ang spread niyan. Pero, as you can see here sa ating quotes tab, mapapansin nyo, si XS, ang kanyang spread is naglalaro lang from 8 to 10. 8 to 10 points yan. So, ang gagawin nyo dyan, imumove nyo lang ng decimal yan. So, mag-move kayo ng 1 decimal from the right. Yan, ganyan. So, 0.8 yan. 0.8 points. Sorry, 0.8 pips. So, ibig sabihin, wala pang 1 pip ang sinisingil sa inyo ni XS na spread. So, si XS po yan, guys, ha. Yan, si XS. Yan po yung kanyang current na spread. So, paano nyo pa mako-compute yan? Pwede nyo itong i-adjust. Pwede nyo itong ganito. Ayan. Pwede nyo palitan to. I-click nyo lang to. And then, makikita nyo agad dito yung spread. Pwede nyo i-click to. And then, add nyo spread. Yan. In-add natin yung spread para makita natin agad. And mapapansin nyo nandito sa gilid. Ayan. So, andito na agad. Makikita nyo yung spread. Mag-move lang kayo ng 1 decimal. So, ibig sabihin, si gold is less than 1 pip lang ang sinisingil ni XS sa inyo na spread dito. And then, compare naman natin siya sa mga ibang brokers. Para lang malaman nyo yung comparison nyo with other brokers. So, let's start with, say for example, kay Vantage. Si Vantage, ayan po tayo sa coach si Vantage. And, ito yung gold. Asan na yung gold dito? Ito, sa ilalim. Ito yung gold. So, ang spread na sinisingil sa inyo ni Vantage is, nag-range lang ng 1.3, 1.2 pips. So, nasa around 1.2 pips lang ang sinisingil sa inyo ni Vantage. Tignan naman natin yung ibang broker pa. Yan si XM. Si XM, ang kanyang spread sa gold is 5.9 pips. Ayan, diba? 5.9 pips. Nag-range siya ng mga around 5.7 to 5.9 pips. So, ibig sabihin, bago ka kumita, maniningil muna si broker sa'yo ng mga around 5.9 pips. So, kung naka 0.1 lot ka, sisingilin ka muna niya ng $5.9 bago ka mag-profit. So, sa iba naman tayong broker, tingnan naman natin yung BT Markets. BT Markets. Ang spread ni gold kay BT Markets ay tumataginting. Sobrang taas. Ayan, nag-range ng 27 to 26 pips. Ayan, 27 to 26 pips. Sobrang taas yan. Meaning yan, bago ka muna kumita, sisingilin ka muna ni broker ng 27 pips bago ka nila pakitain. So, ibig sabihin, kung nag-trade ka ng 0.1 lot, sisingilin ka muna ni broker ng $27 bago ka kumita. So, mapapansin nyo rin naman yan dito sa chart. Mapapansin nyo yung chart, ayan no, yung bid and ask price, ayan no, yung bid and ask price, magkalayo siya, ayan, magkalayo siya. Hindi siya magkadikit. Kapag yung dalawang yan, yung bid and ask price mo magkalayo, so ibig sabihin yan, kapag nag-enter ka ng trade dyan, papasok yan dun sa ask price. Ikumpara natin sa XS. Sa XS naman, kapag itingnan nyo yung chart, mapapansin nyo, yung dalawang guhit magkadikit siya. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung dalawang guhit na yan, yung bid and ask price magkadikit, ibig sabihin, maliit po yung spread niyan. So, paano nako-compute yan? Itong bid and ask price, kapag yan minus, yun yung lalabas dito. And then, yun yung magiging lalabas dun sa spread. Yung difference yan lagi nung bid and ask price. So, ngayon, ang gagawin nyo, i-compare nyo yung spread during London session, Asian session, New York session. And kapag may mga major news event, tignan nyo yung spread. I-observe nyo. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, a lower spread means lower trading cost. So, kung mindful kayo sa mga spread nyo, possible na over hundreds or maybe thousands pa yung matipid nyo and masave nyo. Kasi totoo lang guys, yung totoong mentor yung totoong may willingness na turuan kayo, hindi lang kayo basta-basta bibigyan ng link. A good mentor will teach you how to evaluate which broker ang best for you. That is why ako, ang pinaka-highly recommended ko talaga is si XS. Kasi imagine niyo yung spread niya, less than 1 pip. And then si Vantage, halos nag-range lang ng mga 1.5 pips. I-compare nyo naman kila VT Markets. And yung kay XM, yes, meron siyang nag-range ng mga 5 pips to 6 pips na spread. Pero meron kaming LTA cashback. Gagamitin nyo lang yung referral code namin sa XM na LTA cashback. And then magkakaroon kayong cashback. So yung spread na nandito na sinisingil sa inyo ng broker, ibabalik po yan sa inyo. So, every lot that you trade, you will get $2. Kaya kami sa community, sa LTA, hindi kami nag-o-offer ng mga brokers na sobrang ang lalaki ng spread. Meron kang kumausap sa akin noon bakit ka nagsisettle sa broker na ang baba naman ang binibigay sa inyo and dami yung volume? Ang dami yung mga estudyante na mare-refer sa kanila. Pero bakit kayo nagsisettle sa ganyang broker? Guys, we always prioritize our students over higher earnings. We want our students to experience more profit. Mabawasan yung mga trading cost nila kasi ang stressful na nga ng trading, ang hirap na nga kumita tapos maladagdagan pa ng mga spread na ang lalaki na sinisingil just to compensate the IB. Kaya na-appreciate ko yung mga brokers na hindi nila may na-manipulate yung spread. So I hope meron kayo natutunan ngayon, most especially on how to compare yung mga brokers and understand their trading cost and magkaroon ka ng mga informed decisions. Kasi here in trading, every pip matters. And if you do not know how your broker or your IB make money, you don't fully understand the trading cost. So before you fund your account, check the spread, compare mo yung brokers, and make a decision based on facts, not influence. So yun lang guys, have a great week ahead. God bless everyone.